उसकी मेहनत रंग लाई। हिज हार्डवर्क पेड ऑफ। हिज हार्डवर्क पेड ऑफ। वह कभी अपनी कमजोरी नहीं दिखाता। ही नेवर शोज हिज वीकनेस। ही नेवर शोज हिज वीकनेस। तुम्हें अपने काम में निरंतरता बनाई रखनी चाहिए। यू शुड मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी इन योर वर्क। यू शुड मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी इन योर वर्क। वह अपने शब्दों पर कभी कायम नहीं रहता। ही नेवर स्टिक्स टू हिज वर्ड्स। ही नेवर स्टिक्स टू हिज वर्ड्स। तुम्हें सच्चाई का सामना करने से डरना नहीं चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड टू फेस द ट्रुथ। यू शुडंट बी अफ्रेड टू फेस द ट्रुथ। उसकी मुस्कान देखकर हर कोई खुश हो जाता है। एवरीवन फील्स हैप्पी सीइंग हर स्माइल। एवरीवन फील्स हैप्पी सीइंग हर स्माइल। तुम्हें अपने भविष्य की योजना पर काम करना चाहिए। यू शुड वर्क ऑन योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स। यू शुड वर्क ऑन योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स। उसकी सोच हमेशा दूसरों से अलग होती है। His thinking is always different from others. His thinking is always different from others. तुम्हें जो सही लगे वही करना चाहिए। You should do what feels right to you. You should do what feels right to you. वह हर बात को गंभीरता से लेती है। She takes everything seriously. She takes everything seriously. तुम्हें किसी और पर निर्भर नहीं रहना चाहिए। You shouldn't depend on anyone else. You should not depend on anyone else. उसने अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की। He worked very hard to fulfill his dreams. He worked very hard to fulfill his dreams. तुम्हें अपने गुस्से पर काबू रखना चाहिए। You should control your anger. You should control your anger. वह बिना कुछ कहे वहां से चला गया। He left without saying anything. He left without saying anything. तुम्हें अपनी योजना पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए। You should focus on your plan. You should focus on your plan. उसकी सोच बहुत सकारात्मक है। Her thinking is very positive. Her thinking is very positive. तुम्हें कभी किसी का दिल नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए। You should never break someone's heart. You should never break someone's heart. उसने अपनी गलतियों के लिए माफ़ी मांगी। She apologized for her mistakes. She apologized for her mistakes. तुम्हें अपनी मंजिल पाने के लिए मेहनत करनी होगी। You will have to work hard to achieve your goal. You will have to work hard to achieve your goal. तुम्हें हर किसी की राय सुननी चाहिए। You should listen to everyone's opinion. You should listen to everyone's opinion. उसने अपनी गलतियों से बहुत कुछ सीखा। He learned a lot from his mistakes. He learned a lot from his mistakes. तुम्हें अपने स्वास्थ्य का ख्याल रखना चाहिए। You should take care of your health. You should take care of your health. उसकी आवाज में आत्मविश्वास झलक रहा था। Confidence was evident in her voice. Confidence was evident in her voice. तुम्हें दूसरों के साथ ईमानदार रहना चाहिए। You should be honest with others. You should be honest with others. तुम्हें हमेशा अपने काम को गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. You should always take your work seriously. You should always take your work seriously. उसका व्यवहार कभी-कभी बहुत अजीब लगता है. Her behavior seems odd at times. Her behavior seems odd at times. तुमने अपने जीवन में बहुत कुछ सहा है. You have endured a lot in your life. You have endured a lot in your life. उसकी कहानी सुनकर मैं हैरान रह गया. I was shocked after hearing her story. I was shocked after hearing her story. तुम्हें अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए. You should focus on your goals. You should focus on your goals. उसने जो कहा वह सुनने में सही लगता है. What he said sounds reasonable. What he said sounds reasonable. तुम्हारे बिना यह काम करना असंभव है. It's impossible to do this work without you. It's impossible to do this work without you. तुम्हारे सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने का समय आ गया है. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. तुम्हें अपने शब्दों पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. You should pay attention to your words. You should pay attention to your words. उसने जो सवाल किया वह बहुत कठिन था. The question he asked was very tough. The question he asked was very tough. तुम्हें अपनी कमजोरी को ताकत में बदलने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. You should try to turn your weakness into strength. You should try to turn your weakness into strength. वह कभी किसी को निराश नहीं करता. He never lets anyone down. He never lets anyone down. तुम्हारे बिना यह काम अधूरा है. This work is incomplete without you. This work is incomplete without you. उसने अपनी मेहनत से सबको प्रभावित कर दिया. He impressed everyone with his hard work. He impressed everyone with his hard work. तुम्हें अपने परिवार के साथ समय बिताना चाहिए. You should spend time with your family. You should spend time with your family. उसने जो निर्णय लिया वह सही साबित हुआ. The decision he made turned out to be correct. The decision he made turned out to be correct. वह हमेशा दूसरों की तारीफ करता है. He always praise others. He always praise others. तुमने जो कहा वह सच में मुझे प्रेरित करता है. What you said truly inspires me. What you said truly inspires me. उसके पास हर समस्या का समाधान होता है. He has a solution to every problem. He has a solution to every problem. तुम्हें दूसरों की बातों को ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए. You should listen carefully to what others say. You should listen carefully to what others say. वह अपने काम को लेकर बहुत गंभीर है. She is very serious about her work. She is very serious about her work. उसने अपनी मेहनत से सब कुछ हासिल किया. She achieved everything through her hard work. She achieved everything through her hard work. तुम्हें हमेशा खुद पर भरोसा रखना चाहिए. You should always have faith in yourself. You should always have faith in yourself. वह कभी किसी से डरता नहीं है. He is never afraid of anyone. He is never afraid of anyone. तुम्हें अपने निर्णय खुद लेने चाहिए. You should make your own decisions. You should make your own decisions. उसने अपनी पढ़ाई पर पूरी तरह ध्यान केंद्रित किया. She completely focused on her studies. She completely focused on her studies. उसकी आवाज में एक अलग सी कशिश है. There is a unique charm in her voice. There's a unique charm in her voice. तुम्हें दूसरों के साथ इज्जत से पेश आना चाहिए. You should treat others with respect. You should treat others with respect. उसने अपने परिवार के लिए बहुत कुछ त्याग दिया. She sacrificed a lot for her family. She sacrificed a lot for her family. तुम्हें अपनी सफलता का घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. You shouldn't be arrogant about your success. You shouldn't be arrogant about your success. वह अपने दोस्तों की हर तरह से मदद करता है. He helps his friends in every possible way. He helps his friends in every possible way. तुम्हें अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा देनी चाहिए. You should give a new direction to your life. You should give a new direction to your life. उसने अपनी असफलताओं से हार मानने की बजाय सबक लिया. He learned lesson from his failures instead of giving up. He learned lessons from his failures instead of giving up. तुम्हें कभी भी अपने आत्मसम्मान से समझौता नहीं करना चाहिए. You should never compromise with your self-respect. You should never compromise with your self-respect. वह हर चुनौती को एक मौके के रूप में देखता है. He sees every challenge as an opportunity. He sees every challenge as an opportunity. तुम्हें अपने लक्ष्य के लिए पूरी लगन से काम करना चाहिए. You should work with full dedication towards your goal. You should work with full dedication towards your goal. उसकी सफलता उसकी मेहनत का नतीजा है. His success is the result of his hard work. His success is the result of his hard work. वह अपनी मेहनत का पूरा श्रेय अपने माता पिता को देता है. He gives all the credit for his hard work to his parents. He gives all the credit for his hard work to his parents. तुम्हें दूसरों की भावनाओं को समझना चाहिए. You should understand the feelings of others. You should understand the feelings of others. उसके सपने बड़े हैं लेकिन इरादे उससे भी बड़े हैं. Her dreams are big but her determination is even bigger. Her dreams are big but her determination is even bigger. तुम्हें हमेशा ईमानदारी से काम करना चाहिए. You should always work honestly. You should always work honestly. तुम्हें हमेशा विनम्र रहना चाहिए. You should always remain humble. You should always remain humble. वह अपनी मेहनत से सबको गलत साबित कर देता है. He proves everyone wrong with his hard work. He proves everyone wrong with his hard work. तुम्हें कभी भी किसी की निंदा नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should never criticize anyone. You should never criticize anyone. उसकी मेहनत देखकर हर कोई प्रभावित हुआ. Everyone was impressed by his hard work. Everyone was impressed by his hard work. तुम्हें हमेशा सही रास्ता चुनना चाहिए. You should always choose the right path. You should always choose the right path. तुम्हें दूसरों की मदद करने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. You should always be ready to help others. You should always be ready to help others. वह कभी अपने वादों को नहीं तोड़ता. He never breaks his promises. He never breaks his promises. तुम्हें अपनी गलतियों से सीखना होगा. You will have to learn from your mistakes. You will have to learn from your mistakes. उसकी सोच हमेशा दूसरों से अलग होती है. His thinking is always different from others. His thinking is always different from others. तुम्हें हमेशा दूसरों के प्रति दयालु होना चाहिए. You should always be kind to others. You should always be kind to others. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रही है. She is studying a lot these days. She is studying a lot these days. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.